Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change the currency on Ryanair. Now, if you want to change the currency on your Ryanair experience when you book a flight or, rent a car or a hotel, it's quite simple. All you need to do is just pretty much log in, right? And once you're logged in, there's going to be an option on the upper right corner of your screen. There is going to be a flag. Now, the flag uh, pretty much emphasizes language, right? But at the same time, it also means the currency that you have for that account. So if you want to change language, you're also going to change your account, right? So as you can see here, English, Great Britain. There's a lot of English options here. So again, if we go book a flight, for example, let's just book a specific flight, right? Let's do that. Click done. Search, right? It's going to be in pounds, right? Now, if we go back to the home page and we change our language and our currency to say, let's go with maybe United States, right? There you go. So we're going to go with flights from Dublin to say maybe Austria again, Vienna. We do the whole thing again. And if we click on search, it's going to be in US dollars, as you can see here. So again, if you want to change the currency, just go to the flag on the upper right corner of your screen. It's going to change your language and the currency alongside it. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.